Is your PC or laptop slow with SolidWorks? Or just want to compare your system with others and find out if your system has a high performance? Let's find out your performance scores. The tool can be accessed in different ways. In this case, we will open the tool through the SolidWorks application. In SolidWorks, we go over to the task pane and on the Home tab click on Performance Benchmark Test. Or you can click SolidWorks RX and go over to the Benchmark tab. Now in the new screen, click on Start Benchmark. Another screen pops up with 2 additional options. If you have licenses for these 2 SolidWorks modules, you can add them to the speed test. Otherwise you can deselect them and they will not be tested on performance. Before you click on Start, close at least the SolidWorks application and any other unnecessary programs for this test. When you hit Start, the test will begin and SolidWorks will open and close several times while going crazy in the meantime. Normally, the duration of the test will be between 10 and 20 minutes. After the test is complete, a new screen appears with the results. Here you see mine. Let's walk through them and see what all these numbers mean. Keep in mind, the lower the numbers, the better. The first and second one are pretty obvious. These are the performance of your processor and graphics card. The other one, I/O, is the traffic of files between SolidWorks and your hard drives. All these scores combined results in an overall score of your PC. In the second table are scores for graphics visualizations. Now you're probably wondering, are mine scores good or bad? Let's compare them to others with similar systems. Click in the results screen on View Other Results. This opens your web browser with a database filled with scores from other users. Here you can filter on any keyword, such as your PC type, and select your SolidWorks version. By comparing this scores from other users with a similar system, you have a good indication whether your PC or laptop is slow or not. Hopefully you have a high-performance PC or laptop and nothing to worry about. If not, try to update your system, all your drivers and reboot your system. Then try again. Share your scores in the comments to help others comparing their results. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel so we can learn a lot more about SolidWorks and become an expert. Thanks for watching.